At the bottom of the drag and drop menu, you'll notice a section titled Containers. Containers can be used to create more interesting page layouts. For example, a box container can be used to highlight a piece of content. Notice how the box sits in between the page margins. A strip container can also be used to group content cards together, but unlike the box, a strip will extend to the very edge of a page. The column container is useful when you want to display a number of content cards side by side. In this example, there are 3 columns, each containing a button card. To add a container to your page, just drag it from the side menu. You can then drag content cards directly into the box. If you click any of the items inside the container, you will notice some new options at the top of the blue menu. These options help you to switch between the container settings and the card settings. So for example, if I open the box options, I can change things like the background color or increase the padding within the box. And if I switch back to the card settings, I can then change the style of that particular item. If there is more than one content card inside a container, just click directly on the one that you want to edit, and then make your adjustments from there. When you're working with a column group, you can add a new column by dragging a content card in between the existing columns. If you need to change the order of the columns, just click the card, ensure that the column option is selected at the top, and then use the arrows at the bottom to move the column left or right. You can also use this bottom menu to delete columns entirely.